Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. I am jarring up some hot peppers. I've got my white vinegar right here. My mason jars, what I do with my mason jars, I clean them even though they are relatively clean. I like to clean them again. And then I'll take and set them upside down in the oven and let them get where I have to take a towel to pull them out. And don't leave them in there real long, but they're warm when they come out, and then I let them cool. I take my peppers and I cut the tops off of them. I've got to rinse these off real good. And what I'll do, I'll go ahead and pre-pack this. And then I've got my vinegar boiling. And there's getting a little bit of condensation, so it's warming up. Let's check it. I got bubbles going. But what I'll do, once I get this jar packed full of peppers, I'll take and pour the vinegar on it. And it should be, yeah, it's cooled down, so it's good. And I'll leave the top off of it because I've cut the tops off these peppers, and I want the vinegar to get down in there into the seed part, and that kind of gives you a little bit more heat. And I've only got 15 1-gallon bags to jars, but I'll leave some of them in the freezer too. I just love these things. I've got a friend of mine, I've got to carry him a bag of them. Bo, sorry about that. But anyway, that's how I do my hot pepper. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.